Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Obviously, we're looking for the power saving one. If you don't see it on the first page, you could swipe to the left, and this will show you additional pages, but it looks like the actual toggle is not here by default. So we will need to click on this pencil right over here, and we can already see power saver is right here. And we also have ultra power saver. I'm going to add both of them. So you want to grab it, drag it over, and drop it. You can see that the text changes right here once it's ready to be dragged onto the top. From here, we're going to go back, and now we have access to these two different power saving modes that we have added. So starting off with the normal one, you can just simply tap on it. It will enable the power saving mode, and that's it. It's now enabled. And for the super power saving mode, it's a little bit more, well, super. So when I enable it, we're going to select OK. You can see that it removes your wallpapers and a bunch of applications on your home screen, and it only prioritizes battery life, with it actually displaying how long the battery will last at the moment. Now it's supposedly going to last 76 hours, almost 77. And with that being said, for a nearly full battery at this kind of state, this is not the best result. So it's still like barely over 2 days of battery life, while you're sacrificing a lot of the usability of a device. So in terms of toggles, you can see we have barely none. Applications, you can only add 6 to your home screen, and you have no wallpaper. So yeah, like the mode states, it is designed to save as much battery. It's just a shame that it's not saving it too well, considering 2 days of battery life for such an egregious power saving mode is not the best result. Now, one more thing that I didn't mention yet, when it comes down to the power saving mode and also the ultra power saving mode, this will be the common kind of thing that happens, though I don't know if it happens right here, though I'll still mention it in case it does. Power saving mode tends to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data, and it does it in either two ways usually. Either it's turning it off and reconnecting to network to see if it's missing kind of notifications, and it's going to do that every like maybe half an hour or so periods. Or the second one is it's just not going to reconnect till you wake up the device. So when you're not using it, like locking it up and leaving it like this, it will disconnect, and it's going to keep on being disconnected unless you interact with the device, meaning you unlock it, at which point it will reconnect and then give you all the missed notifications that it's going to pull all at the same time. So whichever case it might be here, like I said, possibly one of those should be implemented here, but there might be a small chance that none of them are. In any case, if you experience any of those and this is something that you can't really have happening on your device, just know that this is the power saving mode, trying to save power. And to circumvent this, there are a couple of things you can do instead of using power saving mode. And to go over those, what you could do is just disable all the unwanted toggles. So if we go into our toggles again, we have things like location, high refresh rate, we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and yeah. So you can turn off everything that you don't use to try to preserve battery life. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.